ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। ਧਨਾਸਰੀ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਘਰ ਦੂਜਾ ਅਸ਼ਟਪਦੀਆਂ।
Guru Nanak Dev Ji in Rag Dhanasri, Ang 685. One universal creator God, by the grace of the true Guru. Dhanasri, first Mahla, second house, Ashtpadiyan.
ਗੁਰ ਸਾਗਰ ਰਤਨੀ ਭਰਪੂਰੇ।
The Guru is the ocean, filled with pearls.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਸੰਤ ਚੁਗਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੂਰੇ।
The saints gather in the ambrosial nectar. They do not go far away from there.
ਹਰ ਰਸ ਜੋਗ ਚੁਗਹਿ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਭਾਵੈ।
They taste the subtle essence of the Lord. They are loved by God.
ਸਰਵਰ ਮਹਿ ਹੰਸ ਪ੍ਰਾਨ ਪਤ ਪਾਵੈ।
Within this pool, the swans find their Lord, the Lord of their souls.
ਕਿਆ ਬਗ ਬਪੁੜਾ ਛਪੜੀ ਨਹਾਏ।
What can the poor crane accomplish by bathing in the mud puddle?
ਕੀਚੜ ਡੂਬੈ ਮੈਲ ਨ ਜਾਏ। ਰਹਾਓ।
It sinks into the mirror, and its filth is not washed away. Pause.
ਰੱਖ ਰੱਖ ਚਰਨ ਧਰੇ ਵਿਚਾਰੀ।
After careful deliberation, the thoughtful person takes a step.
ਦੁਬਿਧਾ ਛੋੜ ਭੈ ਨਿਰੰਕਾਰੀ।
Forsaking duality, he becomes a devotee of the formless Lord.
ਮੁਕਤ ਪਦਾਰਥ ਹਰ ਰਸ ਚਾਖੇ।
He obtains the treasure of liberation and enjoys the sublime essence of the Lord.
ਆਮਣ ਜਾਣ ਰਹੇ ਗੁਰ ਰਾਖੇ।
His comings and goings end, and the Guru protects him.
ਸਰਵਰ ਹੰਸਾ ਛੋੜ ਨ ਜਾਏ।
The swan do not leave this pool.
ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਭਗਤ ਕਰ ਸਹਿਜ ਸਮਾਏ।
In loving devotional worship, they merge in the celestial Lord.
ਸਰਵਰ ਮਹਿ ਹੰਸ ਹੰਸ ਮਹਿ ਸਾਗਰ।
The swans are in the pool, and the pool is in the swans.
ਅਕਥ ਕਥਾ ਗੁਰ ਬਚਨੀ ਆਦਰ।
They speak the unspoken speech, and they honor and revere the Guru's word.
ਸੁਨ ਮੰਡਲ ਇੱਕ ਜੋਗੀ ਬੈਸੇ।
The yogi, the primal Lord, sits within the celestial sphere of deepest samadhi.
ਨਾਰ ਨ ਪੁਰਖ ਕਹੋ ਕੋ ਕੈਸੇ।
He is not male and he is not female. How can anyone describe him?
ਤ੍ਰਿਭਵਨ ਜੋਤ ਰਹੇ ਲਿਵ ਲਾਈ।
The three worlds continue to center their attention on his light.
ਤੁਰ ਨਰ ਨਾਥ ਸੱਚੇ ਸ਼ਰਣਾਈ।
The silent sages and the yogic masters seek the sanctuary of the true Lord.
ਆਨੰਦ ਮੂਲ ਅਨਾਥ ਅਧਾਰੀ।
The Lord is the source of bliss, the support of the helpless.
ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਭਗਤ ਸਹਿਜ ਵਿਚਾਰੀ।
The Gurmukhs worship and contemplate the celestial Lord.
भगत वत्सल भय काटन हारे।
God is the lover of his devotees, the destroyer of fear.
हौं मैं मार मिले पग धारे।
Subduing ego, one meets the Lord and places his feet on the path.
अनिक जतन कर काल संताए।
He makes many efforts, but still the messenger of death tortures him.
मरण लिखाए मंडल मह आए।
Destined only to die, he comes into the world.
जन्म पदार्थ दुविधा खोवै।
He wastes his precious human life through duality.
आप न चीनस भ्रम भ्रम रोवै।
He does not know his own self, and trapped by doubts, he cries out in pain.
कह तो पढ़ तो सुन तो एक।
Speak, read, and hear of the one Lord.
धीरज धर्म धरणी धर टेक।
The support of the earth shall bless you with courage, righteousness, and protection.
जात सत संजम हृदय समाए।
Chastity, purity, and self-restraint are infused into the heart.
चौथे पद को जे मन पतियाए।
When one centers his mind in the fourth state,
साचे निर्मल मैल न लागै।
they are immaculate and true, and filth does not stick to them.
गुर कै शब्द भरम भव भागै।
Through the word of the Guru's Shabad, their doubt and fear depart.
सूरत मूरत आद अनूप।
The form and personality of the primal Lord are incomparably beautiful.
नानक जाचै साच स्वरूप।
Nanak begs for the Lord, the embodiment of truth. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.